The Ferguson mobile application features a locations finder to help you find the closest Ferguson branch to fit your needs. To utilize the locations feature, log in to the Ferguson mobile app and click Locations from the home screen. To find your closest branch, you can use your current location or you can type in a zip code. From there, you can choose which type of branch or branches you are interested in locating and click Search. On this page, you can view the branches that best fit your needs based on the criteria entered on the previous page. Additionally, you can expand the distance if needed. If you click Get Directions, your Maps application will open with the address to the branch you selected for easy routing. To stay in the know, click the arrow near the branch phone number for store hours and other pertinent branch information. The Locations Finder in the Ferguson mobile app will help you keep connected to us wherever you are.